Today we will turn this ball of fluffy yarn into a bag. So it's kind of squarish looking, very lightweight and very soft. It's got a drawstring closure which we can lock in place with a cord adjuster. The strap holder is sewn onto the lining, and this will help distribute the weight of the bag onto the lining and will minimize the knit from stretching down to our knees. So these are the materials that we need. So this is done on a 22 circular knitting machine on the flat panel mode. I will have a tutorial up on how to do that in a lighter color yarn, so you can check that out. So the knitted panel will look like this. There will be a messy side and a fluffy side. The messy side, we will use that for the inside of the bag. I left a very long yarn tail when I cast off. To reduce the bulk, I took the 3-ply yarn apart and used just 1 ply to sew up the sides. For this step, I use simple slip stitches with a crochet hook. You can sew it up with a tapestry needle. It's totally fine. Just make sure that you get both loops inside the hook when you are stitching it up. So after the sides are sewn, flip it to the fluffy side. And now you can stretch out the bag a bit. Measure the width and the length and use that to cut out the lining fabric. So before you cut it out, you have to add the seam allowances. So from here, 3/4 of the inch to 1 inch. Make a mark, 3/4 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch. This is the gap that we will use to put the drawstring.